On today's episode, I'm going to go over the Facebook Messenger best practices that I've been using for over a year. And I'm also going to share with you a strategy that I used that generated over $250,000 in just a couple months. Now, if you're new to this show is all about providing you strategies and tactics so you can grow your agency and business much faster. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that little bell button so you never miss out on a new episode. What's up everybody, Jason Swenk here, and I'm excited to share with you a strategy I've been using for over a year. And this is actually a strategy that I've been sharing with my mastermind members for over a year. That's kind of one of the benefits of getting the insider track. So if you're interested in that, go to agencyownermastermind.com, agencyownermastermind.com. But let's go ahead and get into the strategies that we actually use, because you're probably wondering, like, man, that's a lot of revenue. How did you generate that with a messenger bot? Like, did you just spam people? Hell no, I didn't spam anybody. What I did was I changed my contact page to a messenger bot. Think about it this way. When someone goes to your contact page, they may not be ready to chat with you, but they may still have questions. They may feel a little kind of weird asking you a question through an online form. Plus, if the online form actually goes through, how likely are you to actually be able to reach them? Because when you respond to them, you're competing with email, which is less than 20% readability and 5% click-through rate. So we don't like those stats. So what I did was I was the first to change my contact page to a messenger bot. Now, the first thing you want to make sure you're doing with the best practices for a messenger bot is you need to make sure you let them know this is a messenger bot and you can talk to a human after you answer a couple little questions. So I would automatically come right off the bat and say, hey, my name is Don Bot. So I'd let them know that it's a messenger bot. I'd say, I just have a couple questions for you and then you can chat directly with Jason. And what I'm also doing is I'm having fun with the bot a little bit. So I named it Don Bot after Don Draper, and I show a little kind of jiffy of Don Draper kind of smoking a cigarette. So I can put a personality to it. And the questions I ask in the very beginning are you an agency owner? Are you starting an agency? Or no? And so what I'm using is, this is a tool to create a conversation as well as to get them to where they need to go. Look, most of the time when someone clicks on your contact page, they're a little confused of where they need to go. So why not use this messenger bot to help them speed that up? Plus, when I actually chat with them, I'll know a little bit more information about, hey, you're an agency owner. And then the next question I ask is, what's your revenue? And I'll give them 3 different ranges. And so based on that, I will show them programs that are more helpful for them based on where they're at or what they need. Or you could do this based on their challenges that they have. Think about the questions that you always need to ask, or what makes a good criteria, and that's what the flow I would actually create on my messenger bot. So then after they answer the 2 questions, then what I'll do is I'll actually go into the app when I actually get back. And that's the beauty about it, is you don't have to respond right away. So when I respond to them, it's literally going to buzz their butt. It's gonna buzz them in their pocket, and they're gonna get the notification. They're able to look down and actually respond. Rather than email, you're competing with email, because everybody has this device in their pocket and they're looking at it probably too much. I think we can all agree on that. But what I do a little bit different, rather than just chatting with them, I'll actually go in there and I'll record my voice. So I'll say, hey Lisa, this is Jason. I know that you checked out the Agency Mastermind. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help out. And then we can start a dialogue back and forth, a conversation, just to make sure that the mastermind's right for them. Or maybe the agency playbook's better for them. But that's always the biggest questions when people are coming to me. So I want to be able to answer them directly on the fly and provide a great customer experience. So what I'm doing is I'm letting them know that it's a messenger bot. I'm having a little fun with them by naming it and having the jiffy. I'm letting them pick their journey. I'm surprising them with my voice, and I'm just helping them out. And that's why I've been able to generate all this revenue and get people to where they're at. You know, we've increased our online program sales. We've increased our service revenue. Wouldn't you like to do that? Well, you should probably check out messenger bots and see how you can implement in your business and change your contact page to that. The beauty about this as well is once they actually start a conversation with you, you can actually send a broadcast to them later on, where you can create an automated follow-up based on what they actually click through. So if they clicked on the mastermind, a couple days later I could say, hey, I noticed you checked out the mastermind, but you didn't jump in or you didn't apply yet. Let me know if you have any questions, and then you can start that dialogue. And like I said, the readability and the click-through rate is enormous compared to email. So you have to definitely look at putting a strategy together in order to do this. Now there's 1,000 other things that I could probably go over and talk about with a messenger bot, but I just wanted to give you the very high levels of what you need to do. I'd love to hear your comments. Make sure you comment. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe, hit that little bell button so you never miss out on an episode. And if you would like to know more strategies about this, you definitely should think about joining the Agency Owner Mastermind. So go to agencyownermastermind.com now and just check it out. Request an invite, and if that's for you, apply, and we'll see if you're the right fit. And until next time, have a swank day.